Okie dokie, guys. So I'm seasoning up this salmon fish here. It's wild caught. That's all we eat because it's healthier. With this salmon, we're gonna make some Brussels sprouts. Anyway, so let's season the, not a lot of seasoning on the salmon. So it's just salt. It's black pepper. Teeny bit of garlic powder, because salmon does have its own taste, and a teeny bit of thyme. Teeny bit of thyme. And if you've known me by now, I put sazon on everything that I cook. There you go. So I'm gonna rub this in. Always use your fingers to season up meat and chicken. It's that much better than using a spoon. So this is my way of cooking this salmon. This recipe, obviously, there are a lot of ways to cook salmon, a lot of ways to season salmon. You could broil salmon, bake salmon, fry salmon, saute salmon, stew salmon, curry salmon, grill salmon. So this is what I want to do today. So
the next time I'll do stew, right?
yes, so we'll do some stew salmon another day, and we'll have that recipe on Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini. So you should check it out. So this Brussels sprouts gonna go with the salmon. We shall be back. All right, guys. So it's time to cook up this salmon that we just seasoned up. So I'm gonna add some butter to the pan. Just saute it. Okay. All right, so to this, I'm gonna add the salmon. Okay, so we'll let this cook up for about four minutes on that side, and then we'll turn it over and let it cook another couple minutes, and then salmon is done. Yeah, guys, so you know when the salmon is ready to turn over, when this part turns white, or changes color. Right. So we're gonna make our Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna add some onions, scallion, and peppers. gonna add a little bit of thyme, just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna add some Brussels sprouts. And we're gonna cook this down until it's like charred on one side, you know, that nice burnt look. Guys, I love Brussels sprouts. I don't know about you, but I really do love this recipe. You like it too, honey?
Mm-hmm. I love Brussels sprouts.
Okay, we're just gonna let that cook. Okay. Our salmon is ready to be served. Yummy.
Let me get one of these Chana.
There you go. So you're gonna have that with the Brussels sprouts and some rice. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some lemon wedges. The salmon fish without lemon is not, well, it tastes better. Alright, I'm gonna turn this. Guys, you see this? That's what I was talking about. You see it's burned there? It's exactly the way I wanted it. It tastes so good when it's fried like that, burnt like that.
So since we put it in, we didn't turn it.
Yeah, so we left it
Now
on
we're turning it.
purpose.
Yeah. And even the pepper is burning.
Now, of course, there are different ways in cooking stuff and so on, so go ahead and feel free to do it however you want to do it. This is how I want to do it. This is how we like it. But,
Salmon and Brussels sprout is the healthy dish, right?
yeah. So that's it. Still cooking. Let's add some salt in there.
You put in the
That's
black
it.
pepper flakes.
You don't want it too spicy, but there you go. Black pepper
Put some
flakes.
black pepper for me.
And black pepper for my husband.
So this is almost done. And the salmon is almost done too.
Yeah, it's just like a really quick dish. Good
Quick
weeknight dish outdoor.
Yeah, quick and healthy. Okay?
Yeah, quick and healthy. Alright guys, so we're back. So here's our Brussels sprouts all done, ready to be served up. That's the way we like it. Cook it the way you like it and enjoy it. Anyways, it's a good veggie, really, really good. We like to have that with our salmon fish, which is already also done, ready to be served. You can see. So now we're to have some with a little bit of rice. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching our video, our Brussels sprout and salmon dish. Please leave us a comment, give it a share, give it a like, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel, Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini. Okay, until then, peace out.